Welcome to the world of Coyote Yellow. Introducing the Coyote Yellow Charge Case, the ultimate charging solution for radio control, RC enthusiasts. Designed with precision and engineered to perfection, the Coyote Yellow Charge Case is your go-to companion for charging lithium, NiCad, NiMH, and lead-acid batteries. With its sleek and compact design, this charging case is not only functional but also stylish. It's the perfect blend of form and function. Featuring state-of-the-art technology, the Coyote Yellow Charge Case ensures fast and efficient charging, giving you more time to enjoy your RC adventures. But that's not all. This charge case is packed with incredible features. It comes with a built-in power supply, making it convenient and hassle-free. The Coyote Yellow Charge Case is also equipped with multiple charging ports, allowing you to charge multiple batteries simultaneously. No more waiting around for one battery to charge before moving on to the next. Safety is our top priority, and that's why the Coyote Yellow Charge Case is designed with advanced safety features. It has overcharge protection, short-circuit protection, and reverse polarity protection, giving you peace of mind while charging your batteries. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned RC enthusiast, the Coyote Yellow Charge Case is the perfect charging solution for you. Get yours today at coyoteyellow.com and experience the power of Coyote Yellow.